In the winter time, the weather gets pretty cold. It's snowing instead of raining, and eventually ponds and lakes freeze. At some phase, also oceans start to freeze. Have you ever wondered, what is the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth? How cold the weather can actually be? In the countries, where there is a proper winter, temperatures in the wintertime can easily be -20 to -30 degrees of Celsius or -4 to -22 degrees of Fahrenheit, and even beyond. This kind of weather feels already really cold. If you live in areas where there is winter time, you know what I mean. Despite extra clothes, you start to feel cold, especially your fingers and face will feel cold. You will even start to think about not using your car, when it's get -30 degrees of Celsius. Cars start to fail beyond these temperatures, especially if you don't have extra heaters in them. At -40 of Celsius or Fahrenheit, you pretty much want to stay indoors. On the other hand, cold weather can be also fun. You can ski, practice ice skating, go ice fishing, drive snowmobiles and do other things like this. Although cold weather may not seem to be dangerous, it actually is. Freezing temperatures, especially with high velocity winds, can cause problems quickly. Prolonged exposure to the extremely cold weather conditions may cause ice burns or frost bites, especially if you don't protect yourself properly. So how cold it can be? What is the lowest temperature ever recorded? The lowest measured temperature ever recorded at ground level on Earth is mind-blowing -89.2 degrees Celsius or -128.56 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hard to even imagine how cold this is, as there is nothing you can compare this to. One comparison you could make is that this is about 5 times colder than the temperature in your freezer. This record low temperature was measured on 21st of July 1983, at Earth's southernmost continent, Antarctica. The actual place of this weather record was Vostok Station, which is Russian research station located at Antarctic Plateau about 1,301 kilometers or 808 miles from the South Pole.